In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Photos not syncing. If your photos or videos are not backing up properly, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a few simple settings, and you can usually get syncing working again in just a couple of minutes. The first thing to check is whether you're signed in to the correct Google account. Sometimes Google Photos is open, but it's connected to a different account than the one you expect. Open the app and look at your profile picture in the top corner to confirm you're using the right account. While you're there, make sure backup is actually enabled. If uploads seem stuck, a helpful trick is to leave your phone plugged in, connected to Wi-Fi, and keep the Google Photos app open for a little while. That can often push stalled uploads through. Next, check your available Google account storage. If your storage is full, syncing will stop immediately, even if everything else is set up correctly. In Google Photos, tap your profile picture to see your current storage status. If space is low or completely full, you'll need to manage your storage before new items can upload. You can also review your storage through Google One if needed. This is one of the most common reasons Google Photos stops syncing, so it's definitely worth checking early. After that, verify your backup settings inside the app. Tap your profile icon, go to Photos settings, and then tap Backup. Make sure the backup toggle is turned on. Also confirm that the account listed there is the correct one you want your photos to back up to. Even if backup is enabled, choosing the wrong account can make it seem like your photos aren't syncing when they're actually uploading somewhere else. Finally, check whether your phone is limiting Google Photos in the background. Battery saving features can pause or delay uploads, especially when the app is not actively open. If battery saver or low power mode is turned on, switch it off temporarily and see if syncing resumes. On Android devices, it's also important to make sure background data is unrestricted for Google Photos, since restricted data access can prevent the app from uploading in the background. Once you've gone through these checks, Google Photos should begin syncing again. If it was a storage issue, a backup setting problem, or a power restriction, fixing that usually solves it right away. Follow these adjustments carefully, and your photos should start backing up normally again.